nakatanggap ka ng $100.
Ito na yung binili ni Daddy na stroller. Tayo mag-open.
Are you ready? Are you ready, baby? Are you ready to go to that event organized by Kuya Gerald? Cute-cute yung damit ni baby, oh. Yan yung outfit ni Daddy. Yan. He is also wearing black, matchy-matchy to Daddy. And then baby is wearing white with cars.
Cars in any clouds.
Cars.
Oh my gosh.
With clouds. Yan. Huh? Is mommy pretty?
Yeah.
Baby, mommy is pretty, oh. Pretty in black. Hello. I-close na, i-close.
Puro takakaroon. Puro takakaroon. Gutom sa. Baka ako na before naglakad. Gutom yapon.
Oh, busy si Ninang mo. Oh. Butang number tan na both.
Number 9. Number 9.
Anong last number ko no? Baby, nakatanggap ka ng $100 kay Kuya Gerald.
Kamukha ng mami.
So we are here in CBS right now to buy Aquaflor for baby skin and lips. Are you okay? So this is what mommy bought for baby. This one.
Scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished.
Then cotton. Mommy is using
$4.
Your coupon.
Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light.
insert coupon daw. Sana all my
Insert coupon
coupon.
into slot near the blinking light. Thank you.
And then, vitamins, supplements, feminine care products for men.
Scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished.
They still have more?
Cough, cold.
Tayo na.
Scan coupon now.
Feminine care.
Touch the continue button
Yeah.
if finished.
Go, hurry up.
Feminine care products.
$1. Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light.
Nagmaminus ka man, Mami?
No problem. 7 na lang.
Insert coupon into slot near the blinking light. Thank you.
Nagtitipid po kami.
Tapos, ano ito dito? Feminine care products.
Scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished. $1. Insert coupon into
7.18
slot near the
manggihapon.
blinking light.
Wala man nag-ano, minus.
Vitamins, cold.
Scan coupon now. Touch the continue.
No items sold for this coupon.
Ha?
Tapos mo lang yung ano.
Ha?
Butang-butang mo pa to.
Ano for coupon? Ay, 4 ang minus. Ay, ang other coupon ko, wala gid.
Please wait. System processing.
This is one is for at home. Oo. Don't eat, ah. Abo. Don't eat. Ay na, may gimang ka. Nasmooth mo din yung lips ka. Don't eat that, ha?
Idap-dapin mong lips. Mwah.
Please, kid daddy. This is for your diaper bag. Let's put there.
So, mommy is planning to change baby Zebby's milk
From Neopro to
from
Nutramigen.
Neopro to hypoallergenic because what's the reason?
Gassy si baby.
So we will just try this one, mommy.
Ano gani, we're just crying. Tapos ano pa, gentle release. Hindi hypoallergenic.
It's not hypoallergenic, mommy.
Mas hindi, fast colic relief. Hindi siya makaano ng gum air. Gazi. Fast colic relief. Ay naman, may colic man na yung Casinus crying gas speed up and ang promoting factors too. I don't know, mas hindi ko na ano. Should we?
Yeah. It's $54, guys.
72 pag same.
75.
Ay, 75. Pag same sa ginabakal na mo.
Nakadako.
How much is this?
Yung this one, sa Costco, nyo bilhin, 54 lang, dalawa na.
52.
52.
This is 52.
Mami makes 31 for 4 ounce. So, you divide that how many times? 8 times. 8 times.
7 days. Ang 28.
1 week lang. Good for 1 week. So, 200 yung ano ni baby. Yung budget niya sa gatas. Try it, mami, ah. Are we going to buy Pampers na? How much is that again in Amazon, mami?
So this is like almost 60 in Amazon.
But here,
But here's only $19. 19.97.
so, ano nangyari kay Amazon?
With the registry naman, di baka sa akong kasi.
Alam niyo na, don't buy in Amazon if you like rascals. Mami, find the ano na, the Pampers.
Number 2, wala sa number 2.
Number 1, yeah, number 2. How much is it?
29.
84 na.
Kung mag-sale ka pa pa, meron pa to, wala na. Wala na.
Almost ano na to? Nga man lakot labi to ya. Mix na to ya. 2 and 3.
Yeah. May kagani mo rin na diaper cake. Bye?
Mami, oh, save $300 per year. 144 diapers, 42. Which one? Oh, ang cute ni Giraffe. Oh, si Giraffe, baby. Yan. Yan, yung total ng grocery namin. Almost 160 din. Check out our Christmas lights. Yan. Yan. Off natin yung ano ilaw para makita natin. Yan. Ang ganda. Yan. Ganda-ganda. Yan. From Timo lang yan. And it's worth, I think, $55. Ang ganda. Yan.
So, ito na yung binili ni Daddy na stroller. Tayo mag-open kasi busy siya. Baby Jogger City Sights. So, yan. Kinuha ko ang price. Pero mahal ko siya at mura na yung nabili ni Daddy. So, let's open. Open na namin ito noon pero hindi namin na-assemble. Hindi na pinalabas. It's heavy. Bigat siya. Let's take out. This. Wow, laki ng wheels. Kaya pala heavy. Let's take out. Palaman lang. Palaman. This one too. What is this? There's another one here. First part. Ay, gising na ang baby. It's quite heavy. So, wow. First wheel. Ang laki ng wheel, Daddy, oh. The wheel is so big. One more. Parang paano na to, pa-mountain bike. Pa-baby bike. Another wheel here. So, ang laki ng wheel niya. Kaya pala mahal siya. And then, let's take out that. Oh no. Oh no. No, I cannot carry, Daddy. Muscles. Oh, diba? Ang ano niya, lakas niya. Sana all. Ang lakas. It's pre-assembled. Wheels na lang yung ilalagay. So, yan yung other wheel. And then ito yung other wheel. So, look at the difference. It's smaller. Parang usually ganyan yung wheels kalaki. Ito ang laki. So, let's take out all of this. Para ma-assemble na siya. It's quite heavy. Hindi ko siya kaya. Kaya binuhat ni Daddy. Oh, see? This part. And then, that's the main part. Let's take out all take out all the wrap. Mahirap magka-baby. Daming gamit. Dapat siguro yung house is ano na, 10 rooms. 10 rooms. So, ay, ito natin ilagay. Tayo magkalat. Naglinis na si Daddy. Let's do this. Kasi aatin ng party si Sevi. Oh, hey, so big. Ito yung satisfying part. Kontra-stress. Pero kahit ito, wala na tayong time ngayon. Let's open. Special participation. Kasi hindi tayo marunong. That's the base. That's the base.
Sa ilalim?
Yeah, without the wheel. So, kung may wheel, is lifted up na siya. So, pwede siyang down, up, down ang yung mga handle.
Then put the wheels na.
Wheels first?
Hindi ha?
Okay, wheels first para makita na yung kataas.
How do you put the wheels?
You put the wheels na. I'll video you.
I don't know, mommy.
Okay, I'll put the wheels.
Hindi yung handa ko.
So the bigger one should be, let's see here. The bigger one is,
Sa una?
yeah, in the front.
So, di na muna.
So, Not sure. Let's see here. So, paano sa dabi? Ipatumba, pagigda. The one without, inayaho, diri siya daddy. Yeah. Ang may muni na part is ang small wheel.
Very small.
Yeah. Small wheel should be there. So, hindi tayo marunong sa to the rescue na. Kasi heavy to. Hindi to kaya ni Mami. So, ganyan siya, oh. Yan. Then, na-fold siya. Then, pwede siyang rear face or front face facing. So, kasi baby pa siya, he needs to be in rear facing.
Easy mo naman eh. Huwag yun ano lang daw.
Easy lang daw sa kanya. Oh, sana all. And then, wow. Nice. So, ito siya.
Easy peasy.
Change tayo ng position. So, ang wheels niya, babe, ano ganda ng goma?
Wala sa lang. Okay.
That's a lock. Okay, then you need to lift it, hold it, and lift. Wait. Yay! We have a stroller na. Pwede siyang i-adjust, babe. I-adjust. There. There. Yan. Ay, kung gusto mo mas mataas. Wow! I don't know. Should be that one. So, rear facing muna tayo, daddy.
Here? That this?
No, that's the pungkuan. So, meaning, dito siya tumang sa aton.
Sa inyo?
Yeah. Tulog ang baby namin. So, we have time for this. Yun. Parang pang malaki na siya. Ano lang siya, no? Anong medyo makitid. I don't know. It's for the, ulo. There, the canopy. Canopy? For the, canopy. Ano naman? For the, upper... Para da gurong. Not sure. So, I don't know how old do they need to be para maano yan. Pero, wala kami kasing for car seat lang. I think it's baliktad. I think so. See mo, be? Maybe. Probably. Hindi siya, babe, ho. You need to insert this in here. insert natin dito. While he's doing that, dito tayo. Yan, oh, meron siyang parang where it needs to latch. Latch? I don't know. Meron siyang parang yan. Yan. Manani. Ang ganda niya. So, ano? For what is this? What is that for?
Logo. This logo.
So, kung hindi sa sale, how much, Daddy? 600 plus. Pero super sale. Swerte namin dito. Sobrang swerte sa pagkabili.
Like this?
Yeah, it's the harness.
So, din ang gatubang.
I don't know. It's my first time too.
Kasi marami din na nakuha. May
Okay.
purpose niyo?
Pero
Anong purpose niyo?
pwede na siya makuha. Ari, pindutin mo diyo para mapasulod mo. Pindutin mo dahil para makuha mo.
Ari ka naman. I didn't see.
Hindi, ibutang siya. Ibutang siya. Wala kagapindot. Makuha kagapindot ka. Bye. Yehey! See? Makalat kami. Nice! Cute, cute! Yan siya. Si Mami muna yung kaharap niya kahit hindi niya feel. Lesson choice.
Baby is sleeping while waiting for mommy. Mommy is in Food Lion to buy some food for dinner. Hello, baby. Just wait for mommy. Sleep well. We love you so much. Mwah. Dito kami sa Food Lion. Yeah, and after this, we will go to Ross and Burlington so mommy can buy a new dress for tomorrow's event. Right, baby?